It's really important that messaging happens in real time. Even a 5-minute delay can be extremely destructive to the host experience and the guest experience. My name is David Roselle, the CEO of Doorlist, which is an events platform that allows anyone to bring people together. So we facilitate events ranging from 5 to 5,000 people across the United States. Communication is really core to our platform. Yes, there's 2 core ways that a user would receive a text. The first is alerting them that they've been invited to a new event or a new gathering. The second piece is what we call text blasts, which is the host's ability to communicate with all of the guests at once. So we had 2 core challenges with previous providers. First of all, our traffic is really spiky. We had people receiving text messages at 2 in the morning that were sent at 9 p.m. and might have had pretty important information. Simultaneously, we weren't using RCS yet. All of our texts were coming from a random number with no branding. We tried with a few different providers to get RCS messaging, and we're told a range of things. Some people told us that it was reserved currently for just Fortune 500 companies, that it would take 12 to 18 months to be approved. That was really the straw that broke the camel's back, that it was time to find a provider who could support us, not just today, but also as we grew beyond our current scale. So I'd actually first heard of Sinch's email product, heard that they had excellent architecture and excellent infrastructure on the email side, and actually heard that they had an awesome text product as well. We got in touch with the Sinch sales team, and from the first day, it was very obvious that the relationship would be approached differently than with other providers.
After the first conversation having with David, I really understood the urgent need to provide their end users with a better experience, to get RCS approved for them as a brand, and to help them become an early adopter of that technology.
We had actually been pre-approved by a lot of the carriers. We signed our contract in mid-January, and we had RCS texts going to users in early February. It was a remarkable pace of execution. There was a direct impact on the business because of the hands-on support we've gotten and because of the trust we have in the infrastructure of Sinch. So when a user is receiving a text, our logo's at the top, our company name is at the top, the texts just have our general look and feel of the app. It's just a much more coherent branded experience across the text to app to website stack.
The most exciting part about working with you and Doorlist is taking your mission and your vision of bringing people together.
From the start, it felt like Sinch really deeply understood our business and didn't see us as a customer, but actually a partner. Before we even had a formal contract, it was super meaningful to all of us. It signaled to us that this was the beginning of a really long-term partnership.